Yeah, we are in the festive season where people buy a lot of chicken. They want to use it to celebrate Christmas and New Year. But that is not the point here. The point here is that a lot of people go for those big chickens, especially those big boilers. So in this video, I will tell you how I'm able to sell out my chicken at 6 to 7 weeks, and most of them are up to like seven. Most of them are up to like 3 to 4 kg, just around that range. So in this video, I just wanted to calm down. Maybe you can get a coffee so that you can understand everything I'm about to tell you in this video, because this video will be like the full details based on the archery to the end of marketing. You know, one of the things that most farmers don't know is that they usually hype those top brand. What am I trying to say? In the aspect of you getting your day-old chicks, I guess if I ask you what is the best day-old chick, you say is Agritech. Fine, Agritech. But in my own side, when it comes to raising chickens with they should be very big. I'm not promoting any brand here, but the one I usually buy is Fidan and Farm Support. Those two brands they are my own favorites. Alright, let me put it that way. They are my own favorites. So I don't know your own favorite, but in the aspect of growing big chickens or making sure that you sell your chicken in due time, you have to understand that quality chicks is the most important thing apart from the feed. Now let me move faster. In the aspect of feed, the feed you can give them, I formulate my own feed. So I'll say it in terms of formulating and you buying commercial feed in the market. Now, let's start with commercial. If you want to, you can. Which brand that is okay for getting big results is New Hope. New Hope is the brand that once you buy it, there's confidence that your bird will do well, especially those yellow bags. Especially those yellow bags, your chicken will do well. And not only that, there are some category you need to buy. If they are day old, you need to buy 0 to 2 weeks, that is starter. Then once they are more than 2 weeks, then you can start giving them 3 to 4 weeks or 3 to 5 weeks. Then you give them finisher, which is from 6 weeks and above. So that is how it is for commercial feed. Now let's now go to feed formulation. Now for the formulated feed, for the starter, you can use from 0 to 3 weeks, you can use 20 to 24% crude protein. Then for the grower, which is 4 to 5 weeks, you can use 18 to 20 crude 18% 18 to 20% crude protein. Then this is what I do advise farmer for the finisher. Don't formulate it. Yes, don't formulate it. Try to buy from the market. Like you can buy this one is for the beginners anyway. So if you want to formulate, don't formulate finisher, buy it directly from the market, and that is all. This is a bonus for those people that are into feed formulation. You can also give them supplements like lysine, metformin, vitamin E, just to boost their nutrients. There's another one called high bitonic. Yes, high bitonic is very good, and that way boost their weight in a very short period of time. Now, another thing you also need to know is one of the mistakes that farmers usually do is that they care more about the feeding aspect. If you are an observant farmer, you will notice that whenever a broiler chicken they finish up their feed, they need water to digest it. If you should give a broiler chicken feed now, come back and if you didn't give that broiler chicken water or enough water, come back around 1 hour later, you will still see some food in a food sack, that their throat. You see some food there because that food doesn't digest, and due to that, it will affect their growth. So please, try as much as possible to give them water, adequate water. In fact, give them water before food. Yeah, give them water before food because that will help to digest their food. And I know broilers, they convert feed very fast. They convert feed very fast. So you don't have much time when it comes to broiler farming. You don't have much time at all. You just have to do everything very fast just to make sure that it hits 6 weeks and you sell. The second mistake that most farmers usually do is that they think that following medical charts like that normal normal medical chart like day one give them glucose, day two give them day 2 to day 6 give them give them antibiotic and multivitamin. Day 6 give them day 6 give them ordinary water. Day 7 give them Newcastle Gungo. Yes, it's fine. You can start from there. I started from there. But as time goes on, have this in mind. It's about observation. It's about what they need. You can't just continue to follow that chart. It's about knowing what those chickens need. So actually I started that way anyway. So that is not an issue. But just as time goes on, have that mentality of knowing what they need, what type of drugs that will cure this particular disease, not following that chart. Alright? That chart will not guarantee you that your fishes will do well. So I think that is all I have to tell you for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. And do well to subscribe.